is our 10th car show, and Crosspointe Meadows loves to do it. We always have a lot of great people here and great cars, and I just got to thank all the staff that does all the work, because all I do is advertise it and get the cars here, thanks to Vintage Motors and all the other gang. But thanks to the people that bring their cars, and that's what makes the show.
Well, our Vintage Motors US Car Club has got another group of guys out here today, and we're going to have a good day no matter what the weather's like. And Steve's taking those pictures for us again. Captain Video!
Captain Video, yep. Hank made it rain a little bit because he brought his 56 Ford. Every time he brings that out, it rains.
That was my new toy. It used to be Dex, and it was in pieces, and between myself and Steve put it back together again, and it works real good. All I got to do is learn how to drive it.
Just to my car now, she really feels looking real tough with chrome reverse wheels. My blue coral wax job sure looks pretty. Gonna get my chicken, make it out to Drag City. Yeah, I'm going to Drag City. I'm going to Drag City.
Well, Steve, it's time for lunch.
Time for lunch, huh?
Hey, it's a great day, even though it's a slight drizzle in the air. Everything seems to be fine. What a great day for Phil's car show. Love it. Every year it gets bigger and bigger. It's the place to be.
And we got the best people you could ever have.
I'm wet.
I had this 3 years ago when I came to this in a torrential downpour with no top.
I would like to be president so we could have 2 dinners.
Yeah, there you go.
One before and one after.
President of what?
FMRC Club.
Yeah.
How would you spend the money there?
On food.
It's a Police Interceptor 312, 225 horsepower. This is the muscle car for Ford for 1956. It's a very rare car because of the color. This is sunset coral, colonial white. There aren't too many 56 Fords in this color. All the numbers match. The interior is original. It's got air conditioning, stainless steel exhaust, wire wheel covers. Nice options on the car. It's a real nice car.
It happened on the strip where the road is wide. 2 cool shorts standing side by side. Yeah, my fuel injected Stingray and a 413. We're revving up our engines and it sounds real mean. Tack it up, tack it up.
Everything is beautiful except for the rain. The cars are beautiful.
Thank you. That's the color?
Yep.
It looks like burgundy.
Yep. My name is Phyllis, and this is my newest project. It's a 1964 Falcon sedan delivery. And there were only 98 of them made in this year, and it makes it very rare because it's a deluxe version. There was 200 and some made of the regular version, but only 98 of the deluxe version, so it makes it very rare. And my best friend Cheryl and I have been stripping and sanding and priming it, so we have half of it done all the way around, and we have about 3/4 of the work left to go. So it's been a labor of love for 2 women who love cars. Nope, the mechanics are pretty good on it. It has a Mustang engine in it, and it's a 260 V8 automatic.
Cut down 54 Ford. Cut from real metal parts. Ice cream time, Steve.
Ice cream time, all right.
Hey.
I see you looking at that nice little car there.
Hula hoop, hula hoop. Anyone can play the hula hoop, hula hoop.
All right, these are for the prizes on the table. The free giveaways.
Whatever you want.
Right?
Bob Hunt.
Bob Haas.
Bob Hunt.
It's the ice cream man.
The judges have made their selections, and number one car was the '63 red split window Corvette over here.
Hey.
Second prize winner was the '55 Chevy Bel Air. I believe that '64 Buick. Okay, yeah, congratulations. And we did pick a number 4 and number 5, but we don't have a prize for them. But number 4 was the '55 Ford convertible, the ice cream truck. How come that one got picked? But I really have to complain about the blonde in the back seat. She won't give you an ice cream cone for nothing. And then number 5 was the little cream yellow colored 35 Ford Woody over there. So congratulations to all you guys. All right.
As you know, we were doing a special mission project, and the first prize was to get to throw a pie in the pastor's face. Miss Sandy is getting the pie ready.
Yeah. I'm feeling the love.
But what I want to tell you is that Keith is suffering for some cancer right now. You all bought some 50-50 tickets, and we raised $177. And I'd like to present that to Keith.
Thank you all, thank you all. Thanks for the prayers and all, Phil. Thank you.
It is.
It is. 6. I won. 4. Get the numbers yet. 4.
Is it? Let's see.
I don't have my ticket.
Wait.
Thank you.